3-wire RTDs can provide enhanced accuracy over their 2-wire counterparts. Today I'm going to show you how to hook it up to our 4-channel RTD interface and configure it for data collection. Okay, so to hook up our 3-wire RTD, we're going to need our RTD interface, the terminal block, a jumper wire, the 3-wire RTD, and a small straight slot screwdriver. First we're going to flip over the interface, and you can look in the manual for examples of how to do the hookup, but it's also right here on the bottom of the device. For 3-wire RTD, we know we're going to have 2 wires that are the same color on the RTD and one that's a different color. So RTD plus and Force plus, our terminals 1 and 2, are going to be the 2 wires that are the same color. The 3rd wire is going to go to either the Force minus or RTD minus terminal, and we're going to jumper those 2 terminals together. So that's terminals 3 and 4. So we're going to take our terminal block and our RTD. This particular RTD has 2 red and 1 white wire. So I'm going to put the red wires in terminals 1 and terminals 2 and tighten those down. Okay, now we're going to take the white wire. It can go in either terminal 3 or 4, it doesn't matter, because we're going to jumper them together with our jumper wire. And then we're going to tighten that down. And there we go. That's all we have to do to hook it up. Now we just get our interface, pick which channel we want this to be on, and plug the terminal block in. Now we're ready to configure the interface. All right, once your RTD is connected, we'll connect the interface to the computer via the USB cable. And then I'm going to click Connect in my serial terminal program. You can use any serial terminal that you like. I like CoolTerm. And we can only have to issue a couple commands here to be all set up. We're going to use the command SETWIRES. We specify the channel. SETWIRES 1 is our channel, and the number of wires 3. We get the response OK. I'm going to use the show command, and that's going to show me the configuration of this channel. We see that the wire configuration is 3. And then I can use read, and we read 20.58, which is about right for the room temperature here now. If you forget these commands, you can always refer to the manual, or you can just type help in the terminal to get a listing of all the commands. So as you can see, a 3-wire RTD is not that difficult to hook up and provides slightly enhanced resolution for your temperature measurements in the lab. You can get your 4-channel RTD interface in our online store anytime. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips, tricks, and product announcements.